I'm feeling fairly confident with Power BI, and I'm ready to share a report I created. Do I just click the share button on the report?
It depends on your purpose for sharing. Let's take a deeper dive. If you want to share the report for collaboration or report development, then clicking on the Share button in the desktop report is sufficient. Notice it gives you the same options as if you were sharing an Excel file with someone.
Okay, so if I needed someone to review or edit my report, then I could use this Share option.
That's right. When I click on Share, the first thing it's always going to ask me to do is save my report. And then my Share dialog box allows me to be able to put my team's email address or the group's email address so I can share it with them. I can even indicate whether I want them to be able to edit or only view the report. I could also click on Copy Link if I wanted to take the link and maybe copy it to an email.
Okay, so if I wanted someone to interact with a finished report, how would I share that?
That's when we have to click the Publish button. Let me show you. I'm going to close the Share dialog box, and we have a Publish button. When I click Publish, the first thing it's always going to ask me is to save the report. When I click on Save, Power BI needs to know what workspace I'm going to publish to.
What is a workspace?
A workspace is kind of like a cloud folder where you publish your report to, manage your data sets, among other things. Every Microsoft Power BI account has a free My Workspace that you can publish to.
Okay, and how is my workspace different from the others on the list?
The My Workspace is your own personal sandbox. It's a place where you can test or draft reports or work on solo projects without others having access, unless the content is directly shared. The other workspaces are shared workspaces. Anyone that has access to the workspace has access to the content.
Okay, so I can publish my desktop report to my workspace before anyone else gets to see it?
That's right. Let's see what happens when we click on Publish.
Great.